Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so you need to press and hold that empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Scroll down and you need to locate batteries. Here we go, click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and click Add Widget at the bottom. Now you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. But as I said previous, that we have another method, is to use an application. So you need to install and set up it, of course, and add your earbuds to the application. When you add it, you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second to this application, this one. And right here we have a battery percentages for the left one and right one earbuds, but not for the charging case. So you need to check this LED light to check it for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!